Hello and welcome to the introduction and a tutorial on how to use Barry Analytics. In this tutorial, we will be going through a step-by-step guide on how to integrate the Barry Analytics reporting app into your Linnworks account. The Barry Analytics reporting app is a new software brought out to help Linnworks users and online sellers to see how they're performing on all their marketplaces, how well their employees are doing, and also how each individual SKU is performing. The multiple reports convey vital information that can give you a head start on cutting costs and maximizing profits. I will be going through these reports in future videos for everyone to see how they work and how they will benefit you in the future. You are able to download Barry Analytics as long as you are a Linnworks user. You will be able to get a link to download the app from the eBusiness Guru Barry Analytics page. Once you click the link, you'll be brought to the page on the screen right now. From here, all you have to do is enter your Linnworks master user and sign in. Once you've done this, you can click install and it will start to download Barry Analytics onto your Linnworks account. As soon as you see the page that says it has been installed, you can open your Linnworks account and find Barry Analytics under Apps. It will be listed as the name EBG Analytics. Once you have opened the app, you'll be brought to the navigation wizard and prompted to select a number of sources so they get added to the reports on your Barry Analytics app. This will not be a final list, as you can add or take away sources from the source/subsource settings. As you click next, you'll have to select a default currency. All your reports will be based on this currency and it's fixed, so you have to make sure you get it right the first time. The final step will be to manually enter the currency conversion rates and also choose how you see your SKUs. These settings are not fixed and can be amended at any time from the application settings. And just like that, you have set up your Barry Analytics reporting app and started your 7-day free trial. That is all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below or give us an email and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible to answer any of your questions. I'll catch you in the next video.